What is a clinical trial? Clinical trials are fundamental in developing new treatments for different conditions and diseases. Clinical trials are a type of research study that tests how safe and effective an investigational medicine or medical device is for people to use. A clinical trial must be approved by regulatory and ethical authorities before participants can volunteer and agree to take part. Clinical trials follow a specific plan of action called a protocol. The protocol includes what type of trial it will be, who will be in the study, what treatment will be used, and how the results will be measured. Clinical trials have different phases. Phase 1 typically includes a small number of participants that are either healthy volunteers or people living with the condition. The intent of Phase 1 research is to find and evaluate a safe dose range and identify any potential side effects. A Phase 2 trial looks at measures of effectiveness of the investigational medicine in a group of participants living with the condition the investigational medicine is developed for. Phase 3 trials are conducted in a larger group of participants, often across multiple countries. They aim to determine the effectiveness across a broader group of people living with the condition and can sometimes compare the investigational medicine to the existing treatments. Phase 3 trials are often the final stage before an investigational medicine is approved for use. Regulatory authorities such as the European Medicines Agency, EMA, or Food and Drug Administration, FDA, will analyse the results of all clinical trials before approving or denying any new medical approach used to treat the targeted condition. After the investigational medicine is approved by health authorities, Phase 4 trials can be conducted to continue to monitor safety, effectiveness, and collect data in a wider population. Clinical trials are usually set within a hospital or clinic, but some trials can be decentralised, meaning patients can participate from their home. This reduces the patient and family burden by offering home dosing and home study visits. Patients will be informed about the potential benefits and risks associated with taking part in a clinical trial. The treating physician will discuss these during the patient's informed consent process, addressing any questions or concerns. Participation in a clinical trial is completely voluntary, and patients may withdraw at any time without impacting their standard of care. If you are a patient or family member wishing to know more about a clinical trial, please speak to your treating physician or advocacy group.